Recently, I've been seeing a ton of headlines claiming that making coffee with a single-use coffee pod might actually be better for the climate than using a drip coffee maker or a French press, which feels wrong, and also how much of an impact does this actually have on the climate? In short, over the life cycle of your cup of coffee, the most carbon dioxide emissions come from the production part, something that you as a consumer have very little control over. And this particular research, which has not been peer-reviewed yet, found that since pod machines are so efficient for a single cup, they don't waste as much coffee, water, or energy in comparison to filtered brewing. The emissions that were saved simply by using less coffee and energy theoretically make up for the extra plastic. And some previous peer-reviewed research found the exact same thing, but others found the exact opposite. There's just so much nuance. The impact changes if you get a second cup, if you use renewable energy, how much coffee you waste, and don't even begin to think about the milk you add. Another aspect is how plastic pods can physically pollute environments beyond just emissions, ending up in landfills or the ocean and breaking down into microplastics. Reportedly, only about 30% of Nespresso's aluminum pods are recycled, and Keurig's plastic pods aren't easy to recycle either. So while both of those companies have sustainability pages and pledges, they could definitely be more transparent about their processes. Calling them out for the waste they create could be a good way to encourage them to put more sustainable systems in place, both for recycling and reusing waste, as well as supporting growers who use eco-friendly methods. And calling on governments to create better recycling systems and hold companies accountable might have a far greater impact than what machine you use. But if you're still looking for something you can do at home, a good way to decrease your coffee's carbon footprint is simply by minimizing the coffee you waste and the resources you use.